Neem. Neem is a tree in the mahogany family Meliaceae. Typically grown in tropical and semi-tropical regions, neem could be used for various purposes. It is used for curing leprosy, eye disorders, nose bleeding, intestinal worms, stomach upset, and even loss of appetite. It could also be used for curing skin ulcers, diseases related to heart and blood vessels, fever, diabetes, gum diseases, and liver problems. The leaves are scientifically proven to be used for birth control and to cause abortions. Consuming neem leaves helps in the reduction of inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. It also helps in reducing constipation, bloating, and cramping. Neem is possibly unsafe when taken by mouth in large quantities. It might harm the kidneys and the liver. The next question which comes is, how can I use neem leaves? So there are various ways to use neem leaves in your day-to-day life. For example, boil about 20 neem leaves in half a liter of water till the leaves are soft and discolored and the water turns green. Strain and store it in a bottle. Dip a cotton ball into it and wipe your face. It will lighten the skin blemishes. You could also prepare a neem tea for yourself. It can be made from the fresh leaves, but it is more commonly made from dried, whole or ground leaves. The tea is consumed at any time of the day and is often drunk for medical purposes. Neem could also be used for improved oral health, for healthy hair, and for great vision. Neem had been scientifically used for curing chickenpox. Neem could also have a few possible side effects. Neem supplements are likely safe for adults when taken orally for a short period of time, but they should not be used in children or pregnant women. There is not enough research to support that it's not safe while breastfeeding. Doses of neem up to 60 milligrams daily for up to 10 weeks have been safely used in human research. Little is known about the safety of long-term use of neem supplements. Since neem may increase activity in the immune system, it is very crucial for people with autoimmune disorders such as multiple sclerosis, lupus, and rheumatoid arthritis to take caution when using neem. People who are taking immunosuppressants should not take neem unless under doctor supervision. In Ayurveda, neem is known as Sarva Roga Nirvani, or a healer which can solve and put an end to all ailments and sicknesses. It has so many beneficial and healing properties, from treating injuries, preventing skin disorders or infections, detoxifying the body and preventing gastric ailments, to even having cancer-fighting properties. Neem is more than just a leaf, and with its medicinal properties it is called a panacea or a modern medical miracle.